Hear that? Ooh, it's crunchy. Hey guys, today for dinner I am making garlic bread pizza. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start by getting the garlic bread out of the package. And no, I am not making my garlic bread from scratch. We will use the pre-made one. So it already has the garlic butter on, but I'm going to make sure it's spread like evenly. Just using the back of a spoon, it actually works better than a knife. And then we're going to put this in a 425-degree oven for about 8 minutes just to get it toasty so it's not like mushy. So I got a foil-lined pan just to save on cleaning up, and I'm just going to put it in the oven for about 8 minutes until it's crispy. In the meantime, I'm going to fry up some Italian sausage. I think this is the mild one. Yeah, it's the mild one. I'm just going to fry this up. It's really, really good on pizza. I'll be back. So while the sausage is cooking, I'm just going to cut up a shallot for my pizza. I'm making one side of the garlic bread pizza for my husband and one side for me. Mushrooms for him. He is also getting some ham, so I'll just quarter some lunch meat for him. See, I'm just cooking up my Italian sausage here, and I'm using my masher just to make really small pieces because I want to make sure it every little bit of the garlic bread gets covered. I'll be back. I might as well shred some cheese while I'm waiting, hey? I'm just going to do this whole block of mozzarella cheese. It is 200 grams mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to do the whole thing. Oh. Grate some cheese. I don't know why people buy store-bought cheese if they have the access to this. So much better. Like, I have to admit, I do use bagged shredded cheese when I'm camping, but it's kind of different. Okay. Done. Okay, so my sausage is done frying. I'm just going to spoon it into a bowl with some paper towels because I don't want all the grease in that pizza. We'll just let it drain for a little bit. All right, so honestly, my 425 oven for 8 minutes was not cutting it for me. So I put it on broil for about 2 minutes, much better. So now we're gonna add some mozzarella cheese. I don't want to put the sauce right on the butter. I feel like it's gonna be too mushy, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese first, and then I'll put some sauce on. I'm not too worried about the sauce getting spread around at this time. I'll put it around the edge. And then just kind of crisscross. You can add as much or as little sauce that you want. I know my husband likes more than me, so I will put more on his. Now I'm going to add more cheese. You can put your toppings on however you wish. I just want to kind of spread it around a little bit. All right. So I'm just going to grab it by my hand, put this on first. See what I mean by the little pieces? That's why I use my meat masher. Now I don't want a lot of meat, so I'm just gonna scatter it a little bit. Okay. I'll put some ham on his. Mushrooms on his. I did preheat my oven to 425 again, so I can cook my pizza at that temperature. Just a lot of mushrooms. A lot of mushrooms. Add onions for myself, or shallots, whatever you call them. Now you don't want to make this ahead of time because it will get mushy. Just make it before you eat it. Okay. I'll put some Italian seasoning on now. Oh man, these are gonna be good. And some more cheese. Oh my. These are going to be filling in the oven till it's all done, and I'll be back. Oh, these look so good, you guys. Look at that. So I didn't cook them for the full 15 minutes. I did put them on broiler again, and they just browned up so nice. It smells like garlic in my house. It smells amazing. I gotta let these cool and then I'll cut into one of them for you. All right, let's see what this looks like on the inside. I'm gonna take one off right now. Should take my husband's. Wow, the garlic bread is done perfectly and everything is like melty and brown and delicious. Hear that? Ooh, it's crunchy. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm not going to taste it because you all know what pizza tastes like. And you all know what garlic bread tastes like. So we're just going to enjoy the view. Look at that. My husband's going to be so happy. I'm going to eat that. Oh, it turned out so well. You guys have got to make this. And if you do, tell me what toppings that you chose to put on them. I highly suggest Italian sausage because it's like so good. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time.